How to return items on SHEIN. Let's get started. Launch your SHEIN app. You'll be directed to the shop page. Now, at the bottom, you're gonna find different option. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're on this page, here you're gonna find different option. Head towards the section of My Orders. Click on View All. With that, you'll be directed to this page where you're gonna find all of your orders. Now head toward the order that you wanna return. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna find the order detail. Likewise, scrolling down, you'll find the option of Return. You have to click on that. Then select your return method. Then give a reason why do you want to return the item. Make sure you select the valid reason. If your return reason is valid, your item will be returned to the SHEIN and you'll get the refund. So this way you can easily return items on SHEIN. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.